She's back in the heights, but the nightmare hasn't left. The harpy is a persistent nightmare, banking through the branches with terrifying precision. But look at her. This is a masterclass in arboreal survival. She isn't just jumping, she's calculating. Using her specialized musculoskeletal system, she executes explosive, death-defying bounds that defy gravity. She is smart, outmaneuvering the eagle by choosing paths too narrow for his 6-foot wingspan. Every leap is a tactical decision. She uses the dense foliage as a physical shield, forcing the apex predator into high-speed stalls. Her brain-to-body ratio is high for a reason. She is outthinking a killer. The harpy strikes, but she's already gone. A blur of orange fur and pure maternal instinct. It's a high-speed game of chess in the clouds, and she refused to lose the king. Driven to the edge of sanity, she takes the ultimate gamble. She leaps for the river. Disaster. The impact separates them. The infant is adrift. A tiny life floating in a river of prehistoric monsters. The crocodiles are closing in, sensing the vibrations through their specialized skin receptors. She doesn't hesitate. Ignoring the scales surfacing around her, she reaches it, a frantic rescue in the kill zone. She hauls the infant through the current, her partially webbed feet, a unique proboscis adaptation, driving her toward the bank. She's almost there. But the shadow from above is still descending. The harpy eagle makes his final move. He's blinded by the kill, diving too low to the surface, ignoring the golden rule of the jungle. In an instant, the tables turn. The king of the sky is dragged into the abyss. The crocodile's death roll is too much even for an apex predator. The hunter has become the harvest. Nature doesn't care about your rank on the food chain. It only cares about your mistakes.